are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful bottle art that anyone can make. First, let's spray the bottle. I am using white color spray paint. Now let's wait until it dry. Take a A4 size paper and draw the shape that you want to stick on the bottle and cut it. Here I am using heart shape. Draw the shapes of different sizes. Now the shapes are ready to stick. Now dip it in the bowl of water and squeeze it on a tissue paper and stick it. Now we stick all the hearts on the bottle. Now take two old brushes and dip it on the paint and scrub the both of the brushes on the top of the bottle so that it spread on the bottle gradually. Now I finish with the blue colors. Now I'm gonna use another colors. Now I am using brown color, repeating the same process what I told before. Wait until it dry. Now let's remove the heart stickers. Now let's draw the border of the hearts. Now it's ready. See how beautiful it is. Anyone can make it easily. Now let's paint the top of the bottle. Now it's done. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe to our channel.